Hello, and welcome to the Learn English, Love English channel. Today, we dive into the adventurous tale of Eric Newby and Hugh Carless in a short walk in the Hindu Kush. Their journey in 1957 to climb Mir Samir is filled with humor and challenges. Newby and Carless embark on their expedition to Nuristan, Afghanistan, a place rarely visited by Europeans. Their adventure is marked by difficult terrain and frequent misunderstandings with the local people, adding a layer of comedy to their struggles. After a grueling trip, they finally reach Nuristan and find themselves on the edge of a cliff. Looking down into a lonely valley, they carefully lead their horses down a steep path, witnessing the landscape transform into a greener, more inviting scene. As they continue, they spot a small hut and nervously approach it. Suddenly, a group of Nuristani men rush out to greet them. These men, dressed in simple clothes, enthusiastically welcome Newby and Carless, almost carrying them to the hut. Inside the hut, the hosts offer them pots of milk to drink. Newby is concerned about getting sick from the milk, but Carless drinks it anyway. The hut is packed with people speaking a language they don't understand, adding to the adventure's charm. Despite the confusion, Newby and Carless enjoy the hospitality and are fascinated by the locals' curiosity about their belongings. The Nuristanis are especially interested in a telescope and a watch, trying them out in amusing ways. The locals' excitement about the visitors quickly fades, and as Newby and Carless prepare to leave, they realize their watch and telescope are missing. After some struggle and negotiation, they manage to retrieve their belongings, adding a twist to their tale. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new lessons. See you in the next video.